Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Banoffee Pie. It is a British dessert made with toffee, Chantilly cream, and fresh banana on a biscuit base. Let's get started. Half pack of Digestives. Crush them into fine crumbs. Transfer them into the mixing bowl. Add some melted unsalted butter. Mix to soft paste. I used a 5-inch baking pan. Make the biscuit base around 5 mm thickness. Remove the extra and adjust the shape. Then keep it in the fridge. Let's make the toffee filling. Add some Muscovado sugar in a pan at low heat. Unsalted butter. Condensed milk. A little salt. Turn off the heat when the texture is smooth. Take the base out of the fridge. Transfer the toffee over the biscuit base. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. To make the Chantilly cream, I will whisk some heavy cream. Add some sugar, vanilla extract. Keep whisking. You will have to whip the cream in 2 to 3 minutes. After 1 hour, it's easy to remove the baking pan. Add the sliced banana. Pipe the Chantilly cream over the banana. Shave some chocolate on top. The Banoffee pie is finished. Let's do the calculation. This is the list of all the ingredients. So this 5-inch Banoffee pie for 4 people cost me $6. I'm going to enjoy my Banoffee pie with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.